This is a gaming system. As you see, this is a very beautiful system. Its motherboard is gigabyte B250M and with LED lights and a very beautiful cooling fan plus a very beautiful casing. You can see it's is very good casing, specially assembled by Adil, and he's very expert in assembling the system. And you can see the power supply, Rex Cool 500 watt is the power supply. It's a very good case. You can see from the front, it's a very beautiful case, Thunder Armour. It's a very good case and a very front beauty. It's you can see on the top USB 3.0 plus LED fan color changer, power button, reset button, top 2 fan, front 3 fan, and 1 fan option on the back side. Plus this is the casing. You can assemble motherboard bigger than this in the size. This is the small board, but you can also install the full ATX motherboard in this casing. And this is a very beautiful casing. As you can see, it's a very good option. Yes, beautiful casing. And this is the 6th generation motherboard, and 6th generation motherboard, and the processor installed is Core i5 6500 6th generation plus 8GB DDR4 RAM, Kingston RAM installed, plus you can see Petroid 256GB SSD installed, and the supply is 500 watt. This is a very beautiful system, RGB casing system, in which you can install heavy duty gaming card, and it's a very best system for gaming, very best system for rendering, editing, movie mixing, depend upon your choice. Thank you ji. Allah Hafiz.